How to add sounds to Discord Soundboard on mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Discord. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Desktop Site and make your site Desktop Site. After you have done that, log into your Discord account. After you have logged into your Discord account, click on the server located on the left side. Then click on the server name at the top and click on arrow beside it. Then click on server settings. In server settings, on the left side you'll find Soundboard. Click on Soundboard. Then in the Soundboard section, on the right side, you'll find Upload Sound. Click on Upload Sound and click on Browse. After that, at the bottom, click on Media Picker. Then select the audio you want to add to your soundboard. Then add related emoji. Then add sound name. After you've done that, you can edit the sound as well by trimming it. If not, press on upload at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to add sounds to Discord Soundboard on mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.